5 Best AI Tools to Make Money Online in 2025. Earn passive income with AI. Want to make money in 2025 without lifting a finger? These 5 powerful AI tools are helping people just like you turn simple scripts into viral videos and passive income machines. Stay with me because tool number 5 will blow your mind. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're serious about making real money online in 2025 using AI, then you're in the right place. Today I'm revealing the top 5 AI tools that can help you go from a simple idea to a full-blown video and into profit, all without showing your face. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss a tool that could change your life. Tool number 1, Pictory AI. Turn scripts into professional videos in minutes. Add music, stock footage, and auto captions, no editing experience needed. Tool number 2, ChatGPT by OpenAI. Perfect for writing viral video scripts, YouTube descriptions, hooks, and even SEO titles. Tool number 3, Synthesia. Create AI-generated talking head videos in over 120 languages. Great for Faceless YouTube or global content. Tool number 4, InVideo AI. Just paste your script and this tool will auto-generate a short or long video with voice, visuals, and more. Tool number 5, Canva Pro plus Magic Studio, for creating stunning thumbnails, motion graphics, and full video presentations with AI-assisted design. Pro tip: combine ChatGPT with Pictory or InVideo to create a complete YouTube video in under 30 minutes. Then, schedule and automate posting. That's passive income, baby. Now it's your turn. Which of these tools are you excited to try? Drop a comment below and let me know. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and share this with someone who wants to earn money the smart way in 2025. Before you go, if these AI tools help you build income, consider giving back. Even a small donation can provide food, clothes, or shelter for someone living on the streets. Together, we can use technology to not only grow our lives but uplift others too. Check the link in the description to support a local homeless charity or volunteer in your community. Let's make 2025 a year of growth, purpose, and impact. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment to stay updated and support our channel.